Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock the phone and go to Settings, Sound and Vibration. You need to raise the call volume slider and confirm the ringtone and media sliders aren't linked. Once done, make a test call to check baseline loudness so you can compare changes. You're doing this first because software levels and D&D states often limit volume. Changing them first saves time. Make sure Bluetooth is off so audio routes to the handset speaker for accurate adjustments. Next, dive into Advanced Audio. Enable Dolby Atmos or any audio enhancements because they can increase perceived loudness. You want the intense or movie profile if present. Disable noise reduction or adaptive sound features because they can lower call volume to reduce background noise. Also open accessibility. Find hearing enhancements and activate any call boost or mono mix options to concentrate output. After each change, place quick test calls. That shows which setting actually raised volume and which didn't. Finish with physical and software verification. Gently clean the earpiece speaker to remove debris that muffles sound, then test volume again. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to see if an app is lowering call volume. Safe mode isolates system behavior. Make sure network and VO LTE settings are correct because poor call codecs can reduce loudness. If nothing helps, back up data and consider a factory reset. If still unresolved, get service. Hardware faults like a failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.